Look how small it gets when you go out. Oh my god. People scared of heights.
But it's just the elevator.
Oh, the full wrist will last you.
Wow.
Oh, that's a black hole down there.
When you do popping,
She's not scared of heights, I guess. It doesn't make you uncomfortable or anything like that. How many times do you go up?
between 50 and 70.
Barbara's hiding.
Round trips in it.
Are we close yet?
That's the wires the window washers used to get up and down.
Is this the 9th floor, really?
You're done. Right there. Okay, so you're going to be at the lookout level. It's 114 stories high. The glass floor is one level below. Any of the staircases will take you down to the glass floor. And that's also where you'll find the lifts to take you back down. Skypod is a separate elevator.
You have to go through.
Wow. Just around the corner to the left.
That's easy.
Don't look down, Barbs.
I'm low and stop.
Oh, they fog it out.
How to do it.
Smart.